Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number 9, force and pressure. Before we start the chapter, we must know that what is the force. Students, the push, pull or hit on an object, it is called force. For example, a body is there or an object is there and a person is pushing it. Means वो उसे धक्का मार रहा है. Then the body will displace from its position. अपनी जगह से खिसक जाएगी. हो सकता है कि खिसके भी नहीं. It will remain at its original position, at its actual position. One more thing, a person is there, he is continuously pulling the object towards it. Like the horse are pulling the cart. Okay, so the object is pulled by the person. And in third one person is there. Suppose it is a object, it may be a ball or something, and the person is kicking the ball or hitting the ball. Like a batsman is there who is going to hit the ball. So all these activities are called force. So that's why we can say push, pull or hit on an object. Like we can pull the rubber band, like we can push the door. Okay, we can also pull the door to open. Okay, in the same way, these all phenomena actually represent the force. Now there are certain examples that I have given you. In these example, the object is actually receiving force from the person or from anything. The total amount of force applied by the person on the object, it is called the magnitude of force. Means total force, it is the total force or called magnitude of force. The direction in which the force is applied, like it is pushing the object in this direction, so this is the direction of force here. If the object is pulling in this direction, this is the direction of force. This is the direction of force. So the force is having a particular direction. Even if we are pulling a table drawer, then we have to pull it in our direction. So if we are closing the door, then we are also applying force away from ourselves. So there are so many examples. The unit, SI unit, that is International System of Unit, the unit of force is Newton. Okay, even other units are also there, like kilogram force, pound force, like dyne, it is also. But SI unit of force is Newton. Symbol is capital N and it is small newton. Now we will discuss about the effects of force. There are so many effects of force. Like force can change the speed of an object. You can see it like this. If a object is there which is moving with a particular speed or which is at rest, initially it is at rest. So if we apply the force on the object, may be possible it will start moving. Initially it is at rest, now it is start moving. That means under the effect of force, the object can move. If the object is moving and we are applying force in direction opposite to motion, then it may come to rest also. जैसे force है वो इधर apply कर रहे हैं, object इधर अगर move कर रही है, like in this object is moving this side, और हम इसके opposite अगर force apply करेंगे, then may be possible that the object will come to rest, object will stop. So there are so many reasons. Like आपने देखा होगा फुटबॉल है तो ड्यूरिंग द गेम अ प्लेयर एक्चुअली पास करते हैं फुटबॉल दूसरे को तो विद स्पीड, so they are hitting it as well as they are kicking it. So the speed as well as direction, they get changed. Second one is shape or size of the body. So force can changes the shape or size of body. Like if we are having a balloon, okay, if we will press it from both the sides, then we will apply force, then it will get burst, its shape will change. If it will not burst, then also its shape will change. Like we are having a sponge, or if we are squeezing it, then its shape changes. Suppose we are having a tube, that is Colgate tube or toothpaste tube, we are squeezing it, so we are applying the force, that's why shape changes. We are having a ball of duff, आटे का गोला है, वी आर अप्लाइंग द फोर्स, तो उससे रोटी बन जाती. तो वी देर आर सो मैनी things by which we can say that on applying force the shape and size of the object is changing. Okay, now next one is force can change the direction of motion of object. Yes, of course, like a person is playing the cricket, or we are playing the badminton. So if the ball is coming towards us, we are applying the force, due to which the direction of ball changes and the direction of the cock of badminton also changes. So these are the different type of effects of force. So that's why there is a conclusion that if we are going to push any body, or pull any body, or the shape, the size, the state, that is either object is in rest or motion, so these states, the direction, these all get changed. Okay, students.